Good evening, my name is Patrick Biggerstaff and I serve as Director of Area 31 Career Programs. I'm excited to welcome you to this year's virtual open house where you'll have the opportunity to explore more than 30 different career pathways. Our training programs focus on areas such as aviation flight, cybersecurity, heating and air conditioning, construction trades, and various medical fields. Know that I've provided a short list and there are many more opportunities available for you. Our hope is that you'll find a career area that connects with your interest and also helps you to pursue a sustainable living and an enjoyable work career. All of our programs offer college credits or industry certifications as well as work-based learning experiences. Some additional employer engagements include partnership days, guest teaching, field trips, and mock interviews. We offer a vibrant culture at Area 31 Career Center where students from 11 local high schools engage in learning together and working to pursue certification and eventual employment. Know that our students upon graduation are ready for employment, continued post-secondary education, or enlistment in the military if they so choose. We want students to be prepared for their unique lifestyle, for their unique choices that they will pursue into adulthood. If you have any questions, please consult area31careercenter.com or feel free to reach out to our staff at 317-988-7230. We look forward to connecting with you and hope you enjoy this evening. Have a great night.